SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to react to a message on iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you've ever sent someone a text message and they added an exclamation point or a thumbs up to it, then you might be wondering how this happened. These are called text message reactions, and you can do one on your iPhone by opening the Messages app, selecting an iMessage conversation, since this will only work on iMessage conversations, which have the blue bubbles. Then you can tap and hold on the message that someone sent to you that you would like to react to. And then you can choose from one of these reaction options that appears above the message. I'm going to add a thumbs up. And now that's going to appear on the message, and the person in the conversation is going to receive a notification that you reacted to their message.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.